Popliteal vein anatomy. 5 questions and answers. How is the popliteal vein formed? The popliteal vein is formed by the junction of the anterior and posterior tibial veins. Does the popliteal vein ascend through the popliteal fossa? Yes, the popliteal vein ascends through the popliteal fossa. Which vein is drained into the popliteal vein before reaching the knee joint? The popliteal vein drains the peroneal vein before it reaches the knee joint. What does the popliteal vein become at the knee joint? The popliteal vein at the knee joint becomes the femoral vein. Does the popliteal vein run alongside the popliteal artery? Yes, the popliteal vein runs alongside the popliteal artery.